What's up YouTube? It's Aki here. In today's video, we will be testing out the airflow straightener that I designed and 3D printed it using my 3D printer. So last video, we crafted this cardboard wind tunnel chamber, but the problem is we weren't able to get the fog to flow straight like a laminar flow, and that's what we're trying to aim to solve in this video. As you can see, we have two versions here. This is version 1. I printed it out and it just didn't work that well because the inner walls are just way too thick. Like the air wasn't able to pass through it. So the version 2 airflow straightener uses very thin mesh. It's about 85% void, so theoretically 85% of the steam will go through and enter the chamber. So what I'm going to do, we have two here. I will be putting one in the front here where the air intake is to straighten up the airflow, and then we're also going to put the other one in the back here right before the vapor exit through the exhaust to straighten that air in the back there as well. And hopefully we can see the difference that the air straightener can make for us. Let's check it out. Alright, to get started, let's drop our mist maker into the water, and it's making mist right away. Alright, next step, we're gonna put our exhaust fan in the back. Again, everything is just tight fit right now. We'll be making a casing for it in the future once we have our design finalized. Now we're gonna turn on the fan to see how the smoke flow through the tunnel. Because we don't have the air straighteners in the front and the back, the air tends to be super turbulent, and it doesn't give us the nice, smooth, silky smoke that we were looking for. Here's another angle showing the mist entering our wind tunnel. It's already thick enough for our visualization, but the flow is just too turbulent and too fast. Ideally, we want it to be slower, smoother, and denser so that the cool smoking effect will last longer in our wind tunnel. Okay, next we're going to add the airflow straightener to the front and the back, one for each. First we have to take the fan out, and then we're just going to insert it, just push it in, and then we're going to put our exhaust fan back in. We're going to put the other airflow straightener to the front, turning on in 1, 2, 3. Wow, check this out. With the airflow straighteners at the front and the back of the chamber, the mist slows down instantly and becomes much more stable. It's smoother and silkier, giving us the steady, cool effects that we're after. Here's a side-by-side comparison. On the left, you've got the mist in our wind tunnel without the airflow straightener. It looks more rapid and thinner. And to our right, with the added airflow straightener blocks, the mist is slower and thicker. Both are running at the same exhaust fan speed, and you can definitely see the difference. I personally prefer the slower mist, but let me know in the comments which one do you prefer. Here is a cool experiment to demonstrate how our airflow straightener slows down the water mist. I placed a block on top of my humidifier, and as you can see, it really works. And I say our experiment with the airflow straightener is a success. It really improved the mist, which was one of my concerns. I wasn't sure the water mist would provide thick enough smoke. I would definitely be incorporating this into the final design of the wind tunnel. But as for now, the wind tunnel is made out of cardboard since it's just a prototype. But in the next video, I will have a fully designed enclosure for it. I will also need to figure out a mechanism for the door, either a sliding or a latch design, so we can easily take the cars in and out of the tunnel. Thanks for watching. My name's Aki, and I make cool tech, 3D printing, and camera gear contents. Hope to see you in the future.